Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can check your account balance on TikTok. So guys, watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you step by step how to check your account balance on TikTok. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video so that it reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Now guys, you are going to press up here. You are going to press up here on those three lines. Then you are going to press on settings and privacy. Then guys, you're going to press here on balance. Now guys, you're going to press here on live gifts. Press there on live gifts. Now this is my account balance on TikTok. This is my account balance on TikTok. That's how you can check your account balance on TikTok. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video guys.